provides the light the hero's sensor needs in any condition, including deep underwater. The Plus model has two beams, a wide 600 lumen flood, which is perfect for capturing the action, and a narrow 400 lumen spot, which is great for navigation. The two-button control is simple and intuitive to use. And speaking of simple and intuitive, we designed the light to be factory sealed. No messing with batteries or doors. Just slip on the external charger, plug into USB, and full charge can be accomplished in just over 4 hours. A great light's not enough. It has to mount securely with your GoPro, which is why we designed a very simple mount. Replace the standard nut with the extender nut. Mount your GoPro as always. Use our longer finger screw. Add a friction washer and screw directly into your sidekick. Tighten, adjust, and turn on. You're ready to go.
So sports camera. Video shooting becomes more and more popular and existing everywhere. Video shooting has become part of life, recording every happy, exciting, and enjoyable moment. Sometimes it's an awkward experience when handling shooting with both two hands. When shooting by holding with bare hand, it's almost impossible to get a smooth and stable footage, which is always frustrating. Here comes the Snowpago, the world's first single-hand operated gimbal stabilizer for sports camera. The elaborate industrial design provides Snowpago distinctive elegance. The silicone-wrapped handle provides great firm grip with slip resistance. With Snowpago's advanced 3-axis stabilization technology, Snowpago can effectively compensate for natural unshake, real-time balance the camera, and keep smooth transition. When hiking, jogging, driving, or boating, Snowpago can always keep a perfect balance even in strong wind resistance. Snowpago has 3 working models. You can easily shoot with multiple angles and directions, and get comfortable footage of every exciting moment. Through the handle button, you can start and stop the camera recording directly with your single hand. When turning off Snowpago, the camera will be turned off simultaneously. The extra storage slot for TF card can make you never lose your tiny card again. The built-in LED light enables shooting in the dark becomes more easy and sensible. The specially designed connector can enable the direct video recording control and activate power supply to GoPro. With the micro USB cable, you can charge Snowpago directly with external power source. The built-in wireless module enables remote control by the optional accessory Snowpago handle, which can let you remotely control Snowpago at a distance away. High accuracy brushless motor, multifunctional USB port, one-button camera control, built-in LED lights, all this thoughtful details provides Snowpago incomparable using experience. Snowpago, a unique professional shooting tool for sports camera that makes everyone do video shooting easily and never miss any breathtaking moment. Enjoy life, enjoy shooting, just join and support us.
Cibrillo is the next generation of GoPro accessories. It is the most versatile smart accessory ever made and includes cinematography's finest functions along with stabilization. Cibrillo's wide range of functions gives you the best experience of action video making. This is the accessory you need for recording insane tricks, trips, and family events. The sensors and high-precision motors stabilize the camera. No more shaky, unenjoyable videos. Just the passion of doing sports and recording videos. Control the Cibrillo with our smartphone application. Choose the camera angle that best fits your needs or switch between camera modes. Put your phone into any VR headset and control the camera with your head. Record what you see and share it. You can plan the camera movements before action without any coding skills. Ever wonder how pros create those breathtaking time-lapse videos? They give motion to the still. A passionate team of engineers, marketers, and designers worked on the future of action video making. We believe professional video making has to be a part of every extreme sportsman's life.
Enthusiast. So a few months back, I was visiting a friend in Venice Beach. I wanted to carry my GoPro with me, but I didn't want to carry it in its bulky plastic case. So that's when I came up with the Traveler, a vintage-inspired hand-stitched leather case for your GoPro. We all know the GoPro is an awesome camera for capturing your adventures. Whether you're hooking onto a fish, bombing down a hill on your mountain bike, or climbing your favorite route. But what about those moments in between? We designed the Traveler to be easy to carry while going on a hike, riding your bike around town, or just hanging out with your friends.
The Traveler features top grain leather, coarse wax thread for stitching, and a protective lens cap with UV filter. After dozens of prototypes, we've created 3 models that fit all Hero 3 and Hero 4 versions, including the LCD backpack. All models of the Traveler give you access to all buttons, even the SD card and charge port. We offer 3 colors, brown, black, and teal. Simply slide your GoPro in the Traveler case and go.
Our team has combined 5 years of manufacturing experience. We've sourced all of our materials and supplies, we've lined up manufacturing, and we're ready to bring you the Traveler.
I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level. Introducing Vitrma Lens. It changes the way you record, literally. The same camera you use every day will now be recording in 3D. Vitrma is made to be durable and lightweight, so you can take it with you anywhere. Just put the lens on and that's it. You're good to go. Can you imagine recording this, and this, and this, all in immersive 3D? We can, because we did. You might have seen someone with one of these 3D rigs, but probably not. They're bulky and super expensive. On top of that, you need extra software just to create the 3D videos. Vitrma is different. It creates the same 3D effects with just one camera. And its video is ready to be watched. No software needed. Just upload and enjoy. How? Well, you see depth because you have 2 eyes. They see things from slightly different perspectives, and your brain combines them so you can see depth. Don't believe me? Well, try catching a ball with one eye closed. Vitrma does the same thing. It uses mirrors to record 2 perspectives. The videos end up looking like this. When you watch them in a viewer, they're 3D.